Hey, it's Dawn here with DawnMars.com, and today I'm going to get back to something pretty basic. We're going to start off by learning how to create a new post on your WordPress site. So we're looking at my Own Your Life site. It's just one of the sites that I own. And what we're going to have to do is log into our back office of our WordPress website. You can always do that by going to your URL, which is up at the top here in the URL bar. And after the the forward slash, you're going to type in WP admin and hit enter. That's going to take you to the WordPress login page. Put in your username, password, and click login. Pretty simple. Alright, so now that we're back here, we're going to have to head over to the Add New Post section, which is along the left-hand side. If you want to see past posts, or if you want to see ones that you're currently working on, you can always click on the posts. Okay, so you can see here these are posts that I already have completed. But what we want to do today is add a new post. So in the post category, click on Add New. This is just going to bring up a text editor. It's pretty standard. I already have an article ready to go, so I'm just going to open that up here. Simplicity and duplicity in network marketing. Cut it, paste the title in. You can always write your article right into your WordPress site. WordPress has a really neat feature that if you lose the page, or if your website crashes or something like that, that you can always go back, and it has an automatic save feature, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Okay, so I've just pasted this article in that I've already written. Now if you wanted to add a photograph or some clip art or whatever, a .jpg photo, you just click on this little icon to add an image. Now it's going to ask you if you want to choose from your computer, from URL, or from media library. From your computer, it needs to be a file that's saved on your computer. From URL, which is what we're going to do today, it needs to be from a website. It needs to already be online. And media library would mean that you've already used it on your website. We don't have anything there, so we're not going to use that today. So we're going to go to From URL. Now the image URL, we're going to have to find an image that suits our post. So what we're going to do is head over to Google, which I already have open. We're going to go to Google Images. And just in the interest of time, we'll do something simple. Type in MLM and search for MLM images. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of images relating to MLM. We're just going to randomly pick one. This one looks nice, How to MLM. Click on it. It's going to bring it up a little bit bigger so you can see it in full resolution. If you right click on that picture, if you're in Firefox, it's a little bit different if you're in a different browser, but in Firefox you can say copy image location. Now you go back to your Add New Post page and just paste that image URL right here. It's going to let you know if that works by putting a little check mark next to the box. And there we go, and we know it works. How to MLM is the name of the picture. It's a PNG format. Doesn't really matter if it's JPEG, PNG. Those are the two best formats to use. But in the image title, you want to use whatever your keywords are. Let's just say we're going with How to MLM. And alternate text, I would also put How to MLM. I'm not going to use a caption for this for our purposes. We're going to left align it, which means the text will wrap around. You don't want to link back to the image location because it's not on your own website, so you would click on None if that showed up there and just insert this into the post. And that's really all there is to it. I generally save my draft first. And then what you can do is just click on the preview button take a look at what your post looks like. Make sure that you're happy with the image size and that you're happy with how it showed up. I would probably resize the image because it's basically taking over the page. I don't want it that big. But as you can see, the image is in the post. The post is showing up where it should. And so you would head back over to the Edit Post section, and you could either publish it now by clicking the Publish button, or you could click on the beside Publish Immediately. You can edit that, and you can set it for whenever you want it to publish. So if I didn't want this to publish until April 7th, at whatever time I wanted it to go in, some bloggers will opt to have this the time of day, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., so that people will see it first thing in the morning if they subscribe to the blog feed. Anyways, that's it for this post. I hope you found it interesting and informative. Make sure and visit me again at dawnmars.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.